Welcome again to our channel, and this is again Mommy Talks of Team Bangs. And for today, I'm going to do another video of unboxing. But this is quite special because what I'm gonna unbox is my gift for Papa Hermie on our anniversary. Few days from now is gonna be our 4th year anniversary as married couple. So I had bought something for him since we didn't plan of anything to do. Actually, we canceled it due to what's happening around, like all the viruses that's spreading. So to keep safe from those, especially we have Milia, we canceled everything. And we just plan to celebrate it in simple way lang where else. So, if you are wondering why I am not at home, and I'm still wearing my uniform, I'm about to go home, but I can't bring this home because this is gonna be a surprise gift for him. I'm gonna pull it out on the morning before he goes to work. So, dito muna siya until dumating yung araw na pwede ko na siyang iuwi. Because sa liit ng bahay namin, baka ma-spoil ang aking surprise. So, let us start. As you can see, that's the Nike logo. So, let's see what's inside. So, it's gonna be Chanan! Okay, this is a Nike sneakers. By the way, it wasn't I who bought this. I asked his friend, his college friend, who is also a fan of these shoes, to buy this for me. Kasi I don't have any idea on how to purchase this, where to purchase this, or whatever. I just know that he loves this type, this color, and this design. So, I asked him to buy one, and I'm really thankful and I appreciate his kind effort of helping me buy this gift for Papa Hermie. Thank you, Jason! Jason Balasterol. That's his friend. Thank you so much. I appreciate your kind effort. So, this is his shoe. This is the box. It's always black. I think it's always black. There's the Jumpman logo. Tanan, tanan, and tanan. That is size 9. His size is 9. Why can't I zoom it? Yan. So, what's inside? The wrappers with 23, 23, 23, 23. And we have here, ta-da! This is my surprise for Papa Hermie. I hope you like it. I know you'll like it. So, this is Air Jordan 1 Mid. Hindi daw to high cut, it's mid. It's in pine green color, black and white. The texture is like leather. Everything's leather. The sole is white and green. Under is green. I don't know why he likes this. Paano kaya niya iti-turn to sa mga damit niya? Parang dalawa lang ang kulay green niyang damit. Actually, he has a lot of black. So, ibang black na lang siya. So, everything is neatly done. The ties are black. And there is this thingy here. Ang tawag dito? I don't know what you call it. But there's a logo again of the Jumpman. This is green, this is white, this is black. And there's the logo of Air Jordan. Air Jordan logo. Yun lang. That's it. It's color green. It's mid-cut. Because there's high cut pa daw. And there's low cut. The sole is green. Green! It's green! And what else? Nothing. It's just the same as the others. It's just that it's color green. Actually, it looks like an emerald green, but they call it pine green. What's inside? Wala na, yun lang. There's a carton. I think to keep the shape of the shoe. So, hindi ko natanggal it. Let's try it again. According to Jason, his friend, this is $110 as sold, or roughly 5,795 pesos around. So some others, they resell it for like 7,500 to 15,000 pesos. So malaki rin. Pero mura lang siya kung bibilin mo dun sa talagang store. So I don't know specifically where stores to buy this. Maybe I'll ask them again and then show this later on in this video. But I just know there are Nike stores where sometimes it's available. Titan and the Central is the name of the shoe salon. The last time we bought, it's there. So those are just few that I know. Pero I believe there's more. So we'll share it to you later na lang. So that's it. And then, if I'm gonna have a fortunate opportunity, I'm gonna take a video of him receiving these shoes. And I think this is gonna be his last shoes for this year. Happy anniversary, my love! Bye, everyone! Thank you for watching and hope to see you in our next videos. And if I'll be fortunate enough, I'll share with you Hermes' reaction as he receives this gift from me. Aww. Again, shout out to Jason, my friend. Thank you so much for helping me. And wala. Love, love, love. God bless you, everyone. Bye. Hi, everyone. Today is our anniversary, and it's already 3 o'clock in the morning. The time I usually wake up to prepare his food and his things. And I have already wrapped his gift. So later, first thing he'll see when he wakes up is his gift. He'll think it's a Gundam toy because it's wrapped with Toys R Us gift wrapper. This is the flower or the design in my bouquet last Valentine's Day. This is a small cake. And the balloons. And later, I'm gonna cook spaghetti. Lucky me, spaghetti. See you later. So excited sa'yo. It's Gundam. It's Gundam. No, open it. It's a prank. It's a prank. Hindi yan sa'yo. Hindi, nanghiram lang ako. Sauli na natin yan mamaya. Happy anniversary!